In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $2,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Qidi Tech X Max. The Qidi Tech X Max may not be the freshest faced 3D printer out there, but you'll invariably find hordes of makers still happy to fawn over its impressive feature list and print results. In our estimation, the Qidi Tech X Max is as much an investment in a machine capable of printing with more temperamental and exotic materials out of the box, as a down payment for consistency. Qidi Tech X Max's print quality rarely wavers, easily one of this printer's best qualities. The fully enclosed chamber ensures uniformly distributed temperatures, crucial to marshalling materials like carbon fiber, nylon, and PC, which the X Max deftly handles. The Qidi Tech X Max is no slouch when it comes to wrangling staple ABS and PLA filament into stellar prints, either. Number 2. Dremel 3D45. The Dremel 3D45 lends itself particularly well to contexts requiring an accessible and predictable printing ecosystem that leaves little to chance. Those in the education sector, in particular, will find a lot to like about the Dremel 3D45, one of the best 3D printers under $2,000. The printer boasts a relatively large 255 by 155 by 170 mm build volume allied to an enclosed build chamber, semi-automatic bed leveling, heated bed, and printing accuracy of up to 50 microns. It confidently tackles your standard filament types such as ABS and PLA while dabbling in high-temp materials like nylon. That said, it is geared towards Dremel's bespoke filaments. When used, these proprietary filaments deliver stunning results without fail, not least thanks to automatic settings adjustment. Number 3. Prusa SL1S Speed. The original Prusa SL1 was for years lauded as one of the best resin 3D printers on the market, let alone one of the best 3D printers under $2,000. The Prusa SL1S Speed takes those firm foundations and injects, as the name suggests, a good dose of speed and a refined custom LCD panel while also ballooning the build volume to 127 by 80 by 150 mm. Compared to the original, layer curing drops to under 2 seconds without sacrificing quality print after print, whether small intricate parts or larger resin work. You'd be hard-pressed to find a competitor resin printer in this price range capable of similar high-level definition and sharpness. Number 4. Creality Official K2+. The Creality K2+ combo is a professional-grade 3D printer designed for high performance and versatility. It features an innovative CFS system capable of multicolor printing with up to 16 colors, eliminating the need for post-painting and simplifying post-processing with snap-away or water-soluble supports. With a large build volume of 350 by 350 by 350 mm, it is ideal for creating larger objects or batch printing. The printer boasts impressive speed, reaching up to 600 mm per second with 30,000 mm s² acceleration, powered by industry-grade FOC step servo motors. It supports advanced materials like ASA and PPA with an active chamber heater and a direct drive extruder capable of 350 degrees Celsius printing. The K2 Plus ensures exceptional accuracy with a hardened steel nozzle, minimized vibrations, and dimensional precision of up to 0.05 mm. It is equipped with dual AI cameras and 18 smart sensors for automation and monitoring, including spaghetti failure detection and flow rate optimization. With its robust build, high-speed performance, and intelligent features, the K2 Plus combo is a powerhouse for professional 3D printing needs. Number 5. MakerBot Sketch 3D Printer. The MakerBot Sketch Large 3D Printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed to enable larger and more ambitious 3D printing projects, making it ideal for educational environments. With dimensions of 19.7 inches by 21.3 inches by 18.5 inches and weighing just 1 pound, it is compact yet capable. The printer supports polylactic acid, PLA, and tough PLA materials and features a replaceable extruder with a 0.4mm nozzle for optimized performance. It includes a flexible heated build plate for secure printing and easy removal of finished prints. The enclosed design with a particulate filter ensures safety and peace of mind, especially in classrooms. Additionally, the integrated 3D printing software simplifies the process from digital model to physical object, making it accessible for students using laptops or smartphones. This printer is an excellent tool for fostering creativity and innovation in educational settings.